1. Choose the right crystal for astral work. Selecting the right crystal is like choosing a travel companion for your journey beyond the physical plane. Each stone has its own frequency, energy, and personality that can either amplify your astral experience or create a calming anchor for your mind. Amethyst is perfect for those seeking a protective, high-vibrational shield. Labradorite is known as the stone of magic, enhancing psychic vision and intuitive awareness. Clear quartz acts like an energetic amplifier, boosting any intention you set, while moldavite opens portals to deep cosmic connection and rapid spiritual transformation. Hold different crystals in your palm, close your eyes, and see which one makes your energy feel lighter, more expansive, or more focused. Trust your intuition. Your energy will naturally gravitate toward the stone that aligns with your astral goals. 2. Cleanse your crystal's energy. Think of your crystal as a spiritual sponge. It absorbs energy from every place it's been and every hand that's touched it. Before inviting it into your astral practice, it's vital to wipe the slate clean so it resonates purely with your intentions. Cleansing removes old, stagnant, or unwanted vibrations that could interfere with your journey. For water-safe crystals like clear quartz or amethyst, a gentle rinse under running water can wash away residual energies. More delicate stones can be bathed in the soft glow of moonlight overnight, allowing lunar energy to recharge and purify them. Smudging with sage, palo santo, or incense smoke can lift away lingering negativity, while resting the crystal on a bed of natural sea salt for several hours helps absorb and neutralize unwanted frequencies. Treat this step as a ritual. Slow down, focus your mind, and imagine the stone glowing with fresh, vibrant energy, ready to work with you. Charge with intention. A crystal is powerful on its own, but when you infuse it with your personal intention, it becomes a focused tool, like tuning an instrument to play the exact song you want. Hold the crystal in your hands. Close your eyes and take a few deep, grounding breaths. Feel its cool or warm surface against your skin, and visualize a stream of light connecting your heart to the stone. In your mind, clearly state your intention for astral travel, whether it's, "I journey beyond my body with clarity and protection," or "I explore the astral realm freely, safely, and with divine guidance." Speak it silently or aloud, and repeat until you feel the crystal almost hum with your energy. The clearer and more heartfelt your intention, the more precisely the crystal will resonate with your astral purpose. This is your moment to form a sacred bond. Your crystal is now attuned to your journey, acting as both a guide and a guardian. Keep the crystal close during sleep or meditation. Crystals work best when they're within your personal energy field, especially during the deep relaxation that opens the door to astral projection. As you settle into meditation or prepare for sleep, place the crystal where its energy can harmonize with yours, nestled in your palm to feel its presence, resting gently on your chest to connect with your heart's frequency, or placed over your third eye to stimulate psychic vision and awareness. If you're lying down, you can even tuck it under your pillow so its vibration subtly influences your dream state. The goal is for your crystal to act as a steady, energetic beacon, guiding your awareness toward the astral plane. Over time, your subconscious will associate the crystal's frequency with that expansive, out-of-body state, making projection easier and more vivid. Treat this as a nightly ritual. Your crystal becomes your companion in the space between wakefulness and the dream world. Place under pillow or beside the bed. Not everyone can sleep soundly while holding a crystal, especially if you tend to toss and turn. If that's the case, you can still keep its energy working with you throughout the night by placing it under your pillow or setting it gently on your nightstand. When positioned close to your head, the crystal remains within your aura's field, subtly influencing your mental and energetic state. Its steady frequency can help your mind stay aligned with the higher vibrations needed for astral travel. Even while you drift into deep sleep, Many practitioners find that this setup encourages vivid dreams, easier dream recall, and smoother transitions into the astral realm. Think of it as keeping a quiet, protective watchman by your side, silent, but always radiating the intention you've charged it with. Over time, this consistent presence trains your subconscious to enter an astral-ready state more naturally. Use crystals in a grid for stronger energy. If one crystal is like a single note, a crystal grid is the entire symphony. Multiple stones, working in harmony to create a stronger, more immersive energetic field. By arranging several crystals in a geometric pattern around your bed or meditation space, you create a sacred structure that amplifies their combined vibration. Common patterns include circles for unity, triangles for focused intent, and the flower of life for multidimensional connection. Place high-vibration stones like amethyst, selenite, or labradorite at key points, and use a central crystal, often a clear quartz point, to act as the conductor, directing the energy flow. As you lie or sit within this grid, the overlapping frequencies form a protective, elevating field, making it easier to stay focused and slip into the subtle awareness required for astral travel. It's like stepping into a dedicated launch pad for your consciousness, calm, aligned, and perfectly tuned for liftoff. 7. Combine with breathing or visualization. A crystal on its own is a powerful ally, but when you pair it with conscious breathwork and vivid mental imagery, its energy becomes even more aligned with your astral intentions. Begin by holding or keeping your crystal nearby. Then take slow, deep breaths. Inhale through your nose, filling your lungs and belly, and exhale gently through your mouth, releasing all tension. As your body relaxes, bring your mind into a focused yet dreamy state. Visualize a soft, glowing silver cord, stretching from your navel or crown, anchoring you safely to your physical body. Imagine your consciousness gently lifting, as though you're rising out of your body and floating just above it. Required for astral travel. Let the crystal's vibration guide and stabilize you in this state. The rhythm of your breath steadies your energy, while your visualization gives your mind a roadmap to follow, making the shift into the astral plane smoother and more intentional. 8. Regularly recharge your crystals. Just like you need rest and nourishment to stay energized, crystals also require periodic recharging to maintain their full potency. Over time, as they absorb and channel energy, their natural frequency can become dulled or saturated. To restore their spark, place them under the warm glow of the sun for a few hours, ideal for energizing and awakening their vibration, or under the gentle, reflective light of the moon, especially during a full moon, to infuse them with calm, intuitive energy. Some practitioners also place their crystals near naturally cleansing stones, like selenite or clear quartz, which can refresh and realign their frequency without any additional steps. You can even visualize light flowing into your crystal, reactivating its brilliance. Think of this as giving your crystal a spiritual spa day. Once recharged, it's ready to work with you at its highest energetic potential again. 9. Journal any experiences after sessions. Your astral journeys may feel vivid in the moment, but the details can fade quickly, sometimes within minutes of waking or ending meditation. Keeping a dedicated journal by your bed or meditation space allows you to capture these experiences while they're still fresh. As soon as you return to full awareness, jot down everything you remember: sensations in your body, emotions you felt, images you saw, beings you encountered, or even fragments of places you visited. Don't worry about perfect grammar or structure. Just let the memories flow onto the page. Over time, patterns may emerge, certain symbols, recurring landscapes, or familiar presences, which can help you understand your astral pathways and refine your practice. This record also becomes a personal map of your spiritual growth, showing how working with crystals influences the clarity, depth, and frequency of your travels. 10. Respect and store crystals properly. Crystals are more than just beautiful stones. They are sacred partners in your spiritual work. Treating them with care not only preserves their physical beauty, but also honors the energy they share with you. After each session, take a moment to thank your crystal for its assistance, either silently or aloud. Store it in a way that protects it from damage and unwanted energy. This could be a soft velvet pouch, a small wooden or bamboo box, or a designated space on your altar. If possible, keep each crystal separate to prevent energetic interference between stones. Some practitioners like to wrap them in natural fabrics like cotton or silk, which shield and insulate their vibration. By maintaining a respectful relationship and keeping your crystals clean, safe, and energetically pure, you ensure they remain powerful allies, always ready to guide you into your next astral journey. Higher vibration.